Do you want some Lego? Wow. Do you want some Lego? Wow. Do you want some Lego? Wow.
I'm your host, Katie Wynn, and our special guest is Eva. How high do you think this basketball will bounce if I drop it from here? How high do you think this orange will bounce if I drop it from here? Okay, but what if I drop an orange on top of a bouncing basketball? I've never done this before. Oh! Let's try bouncing some other things on top of a basketball. A baseball. A ping pong ball. Ooh. A water balloon. Oh. So what happened? Well, when you bounce something like a ping pong ball on top of a basketball, energy from the basketball goes up into the ping pong ball so it can bounce higher. So what do you think happened with the water balloon? Oh. It didn't bounce quite as high. I'm not sure. You might have to do more tests at home to find out. So what do you think will happen if we try this with things that aren't round? A banana. Oh. A feather. An ice cube. What if we try this with a super bouncy ball? How high do you think it'll go? Let's make our own bouncy balls and test them out in a bouncy ball challenge to see which bouncy ball bounces highest. Whoa!
Hi, Katie.
Hey, Eva, how you doing?
I'm so excited.
Ooh, jumping? Yeah, I like that. Getting that bouncy mood. Whoa. So, question for you. Have you ever made a bouncy ball before?
No.
Me neither. If you try this, make sure you have a grown-up with you. We are going to mix 1 tablespoon of borax. Do you have a tablespoon measurement? And this is the stuff you want to keep away from any pets at home. And we're going to dissolve it in 1/2 cup of warm water. Eva, you can start mixing that. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Mix that borax. Mix that borax. It might not dissolve 100%, but we'll do our best to get it as dissolved as we can get it.
Yeah, there's no huge chunks.
I wonder if the size of the ball will affect how high the ball will bounce. What do you think?
I think if it's smaller, it might bounce higher because there's not as much weight.
Oh, that's a very good theory. For the next step, the sparkle glue. It's sparkle glue time. Sparkle dance, sparkle glue, sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. Hey, you kind of get to decide how much you put in here. So the more glue you use, the bigger your ball will be, at least 1 tablespoon. I want to make my ball a different size than yours so we can test different kinds of balls. So let me know how much you put in, and then I'll either make mine a lot smaller or a lot bigger.
And play around with the glue.
I'm going maximum sparkle glue. So you ready to get your hands dirty?
Yeah.
All right, so I think we kind of start gathering it together in one blobby shape. What does it feel like in your hands? How would you describe it to somebody who's never done this before?
Gooey.
Gooey? Yeah, it is gooey. It's kind of slippery too.
Yeah. Hey, mine's starting to roll a little bit.
Ooh, oh no. Bouncy ball down.
Mine has wrinkles.
Oh, mine does have wrinkles too.
Mine's a brain.
Rain. After you make your ball, make sure you wash your hands really well and keep your ball away from pets and siblings. So can you show me with your hands how high do you think this ball will bounce if I drop it from here? Think it'll bounce way up above my head? Think it'll bounce back up the same height-ish? All right, let's test it. Oh, oh. Now let's see your ball bounce. If you drop it from higher, do you think it bounces higher or lower?
I think it bounces higher.
I think you're right.
See, if I bounce it lower, look how low it goes.
Yeah, absolutely. I can totally see the difference.
Stop hitting the computer. Oh, no, now it went behind the computer.
All right, now let's try to bounce the ball pretty hard. Oh! Where did yours get to? And bounce clear across the room.
Under a chair.
Under a chair.
It still didn't go very high.
Well, these aren't quite like the super bouncy balls that you get at the store, but they're pretty good for homemade, huh?
Yeah.
I can't believe we just made bouncy balls. I'm bouncing. I feel like I'm gonna say it. I'm gonna say it. I'm definitely gonna say it. I'm super excited to test your bouncy ball, Eva. Can you please bounce it to me? Thanks, Eva. And now for the Super Bouncy Ball Bouncy Challenge on a bouncing basketball.
What do you think will happen?
Which ball do you think will bounce farther off a basketball? The small ball that Eva made or the slightly bigger ball that I made? Let's find out. The bigger ball bounced higher than the smaller ball.
What?
And after a few tests, our balls started breaking apart. But you can always make new ones. That was fun. Thank you, Eva, for making a bouncy ball with me that I could test. I present to you the Mega Wow Award of Bounciness. Thanks for watching. What are you gonna bounce today?
Mega Wow!
This Bro Studios.